to generate a list of members who have outstanding loan balances and prepare reminder letters. So meaning that in our database, we have a query of members with loan balance, this one. It's what we shall use in doing our mail merge. So let's get started using that very query, members with loan balance. So here we go to mailings, select recipients, use an existing list. From there, our list is on the desktop in our folder KAKURU BENARD 001 under item 1. So we select our database to get the savings database. Then from there, it is asking us, where are you picking the data source? We are going to use members with loan balance, these ones. Remember, we have a table, then these are queries. We want members with loan balance, we click OK. After that, we are going to have, for example, date. We can put today's date and all that. So let's insert merge fields, dear member. So let's select member, insert merge fields, member name. Then this is a reminder regarding outstanding loan you took from Together Savings Group. According to our records, you are currently having a balance here, loan balance. Insert merge field, loan balance. So this we can even bold it. Then of the loan you took, so this one here, we highlight loan amount. We can highlight also and bold. Then before due date, so we can give them date. For example, before 30th September 2024. That's the date we are giving them. And then today's date, we can even use insert date and time. Wednesday today, we click OK. So far our letter is getting complete. Under mailings, we can preview results. So far, this is how our letter looks like. Best regards, treasurer name, KAKURU BENARD. Okay. So at this point, we can see all those who have loan reminders. There are 5. Let's modify our letter. We can select all. For example, choose Times New Roman, font size 14. I can justify my work. Now I want us to make something like a headed paper. I'm going to copy this. I can cut it. I open here. I paste it in the header. After pasting it in the header, let me center, increase font size, can make it more bigger, something like that. Can even make it capital letters. After, I'm going to put a logo. I go to insert picture, this device. On the desktop, I look for my folder here. I mean my logo here, Twegate. Here it is. We can reduce it a bit. Then I go under wrap text. I can choose any of these. There is tight. For example, tight, we reduce it a bit, or let me make it, for example, in front or behind any of these, then we adjust where to put it. For example, there. So that is our logo. We are trying to make a headed paper. I go to insert shapes. Let me pick this. I draw a line somewhere here. Then shape outline. Can make it red. I can increase the weight to about 6. So this is our headed letter. I'm going to insert a footer of my personal number. 001 KAKURU BENARD. Okay, so at this point we are done modifying our letter. This one we can put it to the right. We can press some enter here, create some more space. Can even increase the line spacing a bit, something like that. Can even put here drop cap. Let's put like a drop cap, something like that, with this kind of color. And then still under mailings, we go to finish and merge, edit individual documents. We click all, okay. So at this point, these are the letters going to the 5 people. So we save this in our working folder on the desktop, KAKURU BENARD, item 1. These are loan reminder letters. We click save. We close. Now, this step-by-step guide for designing websites using Expression Web is available in both hard copies and soft copies. Grab a copy and design websites with ease. Then there is a practical approach on designing websites using WordPress. This is a step-by-step guide to creating your own website the easy way out. Those of you who think that creating websites with WordPress is hard, get this book. Everything will be smooth. Then there is this ultimate guide, ICT Mastery for Uganda's Competence-Based Curriculum. This one is from Senior 1 to Senior 4. It is a combined book. It is a guide to theory and practical success. Get this book. At least each student should have this handbook, should have this theory book, should have this practical book. It is all in one. Senior 1 to Senior 4. An S1 learner can use it. S2 learner can use it. S3 learner can use it, and an S4 learner can use it as well. It handles both theory and practical elements. It has scenario-based questions with their answers, theory with answers, practical with answers on how best to approach those items. Then we also have tips to passing ICT at ordinary level when it comes to the competence-based curriculum. Grab this ICT mastery and success will belong to you. There is also this for A level. This is a comprehensive approach to practical subsidiary ICT. Those who are in Senior 5, grab this copy. Those who are in Senior 6, you need this book so that your sub-ICT point with a distinction is assured and registered. So, teachers, grab this ICT resourceful 500 GB external hard disk. Even those who want a terabyte is also available. This external ICT resourceful hard disk comes with already loaded content, including all these video lessons like the way we see them on the YouTube channel. I normally put them on this hard disk for those who have internet issues. Grab this hard disk and watch these videos on your computer anytime, anywhere. It has more video lessons like those of elements of construct, how to approach ICT items, video lessons on WordPress, Expression Web, word processing, spreadsheets, database, presentations, programming, desktop publishing, and even how to attempt some mock numbers and UNEB numbers. It also has A-level ICT papers, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. It comes with those PDF questions and their solutions, even others in a Word document format, both UNEB and mock ICT papers. It has A-level sub-ICT topic per topic notes and most softwares you need for your computer lab and also personal usage. get softwares like Expression Web 3 and 4, Dreamweaver software, WordPress and XAMPP setup files, Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, Office from 2003 up to the recent 2024. All of them are available. Activators and licenses, Microsoft Visual Studio, Visual Space software. I mean, yes, that virtual space software. Those who have issues with any computing, all the softwares are included here. Those who need offline libraries like Encarta, Britannica, they are there. Adobe Master Collection is there, and much more. Grab this ICT resource for external hard disk and enjoy its content. If you don't need this resource for hard disk, the content can be put on an SSD. The SSD, I have those of 256 GB and 512 GB. So you get this portable and slim device with already loaded content. Please contact me on these numbers and get this copy. 07756 You will get any of these resources at your fingertip. Delivery is possible everywhere in the country. Just call those numbers or WhatsApp those numbers.